10 ways VJs elevate productions. The visual storyteller. VJs add an extra dimension to performances, creating a visual story that complements the sound and audience's experiences to next level. Keeping the flow. A VJ helps keep the energy of the show moving by seamless transitions and synchronizing visuals with the music. Elevating the brand or cause. Incorporating brand elements, VJ get the brand stakes one step higher and create a more memorable branded experience for the attendees. Immersion and the engagement. VJs create an immersive experience for the audience using various types of displays, engaging them with the performance on a deeper level. Maximizing technology. Using advanced software and hardware, taking your presentation and video clips, VJs can manipulate visuals in real time, creating unique and dynamic effect that captivates the audiences. Collaboration with creativity. By working closely with the artist and the production team, VJs can add own creative input to their performance, enhance the overall impact. The technical conductor. VJs can help manage technical aspect of the show, that is the video playback projectors, LED display parts, and coordinating with the members of the technical team. Creating a memorable event. With their cue pre-planned videos adding visual excitement to the performances, VJs can create an unforgettable event that guests are gonna remember. Innovative visuals. A skilled VJ can create unique and innovative visuals that can take a performance to the next level, leaving a lasting impression on the audiences. Adding values. As per marketing terms, the ROI means the return of investment is higher. A VJ adds value to the end production. It wouldn't happen if a VJ wasn't there.